Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and to continue with our game day recipes, we're going to be making zucchini fries. These are going to be baked to perfection, paired with a marinara sauce, so you guys definitely don't want to miss this out. If you guys like game day recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have all the ingredients that I need to make these zucchini fries. Right here is some Italian breadcrumbs. To that, I'm gonna add garlic, paprika, and a little bit of onion powder. Give that a good mix. And that looks good. To the right of me, I have 2 egg whites. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper to that and give it a good mix. All right, that looks good. So now I have my station. So here I've chopped up the zucchini into little fries-like shape. And all I'm gonna do next is get my tray ready. So I'm just gonna spray the bottom with a little bit of Pam. Okay, and now you're just going to take one of the zucchinis, make sure and dip it well, and then cover it with the breadcrumbs. Shake off all the excess and then place it on your tray, and you keep doing that until all of your zucchini is done. All right, so now these are going to go in the oven at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. Flip it on the other side halfway through, and then I'm also going to spray the top of the fries with a little bit more of that Pam spray or any other oil spray that you have. All right, ready to go. All right, guys, just pull these out of the oven. They're perfectly cooked, nice and golden brown and crispy on the outside. I have a side of marinara sauce. This is just store-bought that I'm gonna dip it in. Perfect to go with this. So now time for taste testing. All right. You hear that crunch? That is perfectly cooked on the outside, still soft on the inside. Just like a regular fries, except this is so much better for you, so much healthier. So you guys, next time you have a craving for fries, try this recipe out. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.